Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Hanif bin Hasri. My metric number S76284. In this video, I will explain the critical maintenance procedure required to ensure the safety and efficiency of smoke tube boiler in marine applications. Smoke tube boilers are commonly used on ships for auxiliary steam service, and proper maintenance is essential to prevent failures, improve efficiency, and ensure safe operation at sea. What is a smoke tube boiler? A smoke tube boiler is a type of boiler where hot exhaust gases pass through tubes while water surrounds these tubes. Heat transfer occurs from the hot gases to the water, producing steams. In marine system, smoke tube boilers are mainly used for fuel heating, cargo heating, domestic service, and auxiliary machinery. Next, we go to critical maintenance procedure, our main event. First of all, we got regular inspection of tube and shells. The first critical maintenance procedure is routine inspection of boiler tubes and shells. Engineers must check for tube corrosion, tube leakage, cracks, and tining of metals. Any damaged tubes can reduce heat transfer efficiency and may cause dangerous boiler failures. Early detection helps prevent tube rupture and steam leakage. Second, water treatment and quality control. Water treatment is extremely important for boiler safety. Poor water quality can lead to scale formation, corrosion, overheating of tubes, and proper treatment control must include pH level, dissolved oxygen, hardness. This ensures efficient heat transfer and extends the boiler's service life. Next, we need to do safety valve and pressure control maintenance. Safety valves are vital safety components. They must be tested periodically, calibrated correctly, and free from blockage. A malfunctioning safety valve can lead to overpressure, which is extremely dangerous in marine environments. So, cleaning of fire side and water side are also important. Soot and scale reduce heat transfer efficiency. Therefore, fire side cleaning removes soot from smoke tubes. Water slide cleaning removes scale from tube surface, and clean surfaces improve fuel efficiency and reduce thermal stress in boiler components. Last but not least, we need to monitoring instrumentation and controls. Instruments such as pressure gauge, water level indicators, temperature sensors must be checked regularly because incorrect readings can cause low water conditions, leading to overheating and possible boiler explosion. So, if we do not do all the maintenance, in real marine operations, failure to maintain smoke tube boiler can result in voyage delay, costly repairs, safety risks to crew. Thus, strict adherence to maintenance schedules is required under marine safety regulations. In conclusion, critical maintenance procedures for marine smoke tube boilers include regular inspection, proper water treatment, blowdown operations, safety valve testing, cleaning of heat transfer surface, instrument monitoring. These procedures ensure safe operation, high efficiency, and long service life of boiler. That's all from me. Thank you for watching and bye bye.